good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're listening to me at any part of the world, this is your coach online, Atoba Olushola, your coach of further maths, physics, and mathematics. Today, we are going to talk about algebra. Algebra is an aspect of mathematics that deals with powers, letters, coefficients, and algebraic signs. So, when we are talking about algebra, as earlier said, it is an aspect of mathematics that deals with powers, it deals with letters, it deals with coefficients, and algebraic signs. There are three branches of algebra. Which are expansion. 2. There is factorization. And 3. There is simplification. But today we are going to look at expansion. Okay? For most of you watching me as any part of the world, this is your coach online, Atoba Olushola. Okay? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can log into my Facebook. You can see me on YouTube. Or you can go to my Instagram page. Whenever you are watching any topic and you see that you have not concluded, you can visit my YouTube channel to complete any lesson you feel that you want to complete. Okay? Now, expansion. We start with expansion. Now, when we say expansion, okay, at first we are going to talk about expansion of square sum. We are going to talk about expansion of square sum. When we say expansion of square sum, if I have A plus B all square, A plus B all square, okay, it is in two places, into what? A plus B into A plus B, which is in two places. And when we start expansion, A times A, this is A square, A times B, AB, B times A, AB, and B times B, that is what? B square. At the end of the day, what do we have? A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is A plus B all square. It becomes a theorem. So what are we talking about? Your A plus B all square. It is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay? Now take my example. If I have 2x plus 3y all square. We have 2x plus 3y all square. And we get to expand. This is A, this is for B. Once more, this is for A, this is for B. And when you look at it very well, this is A squared plus 2A, B plus B all square. Are you getting it now? So at the end of the day, 2 squared is what? 4x squared. Plus what? 2 times 3 is 4, times 3 is what? 12. 12xy. Plus 3 squared makes what? 9y squared. Can you see now? We have expanded. So this is what? Expansion of square sum. Okay? Now, let's look into what? Expansion of square difference. Expansion of square difference. Expansion of square difference. Okay? Look at something. If I say a minus b all square, a minus b all square. Okay? This is a minus b into a minus b. Yes. That is a minus b into what? A minus b. There is a misconception. There is always a misconception on the mind of the student. When you ask them what is a plus b all square, they always say it is a square plus b square. What is the conclusion? Sharing b square to a and sharing b square to b. Wrong. Wrong. Or when we tell them a minus b all square, they share the square to a and they share the square to b, thinking that is the right answer. Wrong. Wrong. So, if it is so, now let's look at the appropriate. Okay? A minus b all square. A minus b. A minus b. Okay? When you look at this now, expand. A times a square. Minus ab. Minus ab. Plus b square. Are you getting me now? From there now, this is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? And this is what? A minus b all square. It becomes a theorem. It becomes a theorem. Okay? Now, also, if I add 2x minus 3y all square, is equivalent to saying this is a, this is what? B. Okay? It means this is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Can you see now? Yes. So, from here now, okay, what do we have? This is what? 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. And that is the correct answer. And that is the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Okay? Now, examples. Examples. Okay? One. Expand the following. A. P minus 2k all square. 3p plus 2k. Okay? Look at B. 3a minus b all square. Okay, we look at 2a plus b plus 3b all square. Okay, look at 2. Evaluate the difference between the coefficients of x in y and xy2 in the expansion 4x minus y all square x plus 2y all square. Okay, now let's quickly solve this now as we move on in expansion. Okay, now solutions. solutions. Now, question 1. We have to expand A. This 1A. P minus 2P all squared. 3P plus 2P. What are we talking about here? We are going to what? Expand. Now start. We know all the way. This is A, this is B. A plus B all squared. It is what? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Yes. So come around now. This is what? P squared minus 2. This is P. 2Q plus 2Q all squared. This beside 3P plus 2Q. Okay. Now start. This is what? P squared minus 4PQ plus 4Q squared. Okay. Into what now? This is 3P plus 2Q. Now start. You use this one element of this bracket to rub them. One element of this bracket to rub them. What are we talking about now? 3P into P squared minus 4PQ plus 4Q squared. This plus 2Q into what? P squared minus 4PQ plus 4Q squared. Okay? 4Q squared. Okay? From here now, what do we have here? We have what? Expand. What do we have? 3PQ minus 12P squared Q plus 12PQ squared plus 2P squared Q minus 8PQ squared plus 8QQ. Are you seeing now? From there now, collect like terms. This is P squared Q. This is another P squared Q. Collect like terms. Okay? This is PQ squared. This is another PQ squared. Collect like terms. Okay? From there now, this is 3PQ. Okay? We have minus 10P squared Q. This is 12PQ squared minus 8PQ squared. Giving us what? Plus 4PQ squared plus 8QQ. We have expanded. Okay? We have expanded, and you can see. Okay? Now let's move on. Question 1B. Question 1B. Okay? Your B. Sorry, let's drop the board. Question 1B is a broad question because of the squares. This R square, this has a square also. So it will be broadened. Okay? Now let's prepare the second page of the board. Okay? Remember, whenever you are listening to me, any part of this world, this is called Atoba Olushola. Okay? We are taking algebra. We are taking algebra. This is a mathematics class. We are taking algebra. I already told you, when you feel that this lesson you cannot complete this lesson, or you feel that it is too short, the video we have made now is too short, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the rest of the lessons. Okay? And watch the rest of the lessons. Now we move to question B. Question 1B. Okay? For question 1B, this is 3A minus B all squared, and we have 2A plus 3B all squared. If you look at the elements of the expansion, you would have seen that this has a square, while this has a square also. Okay? Now we are going to do it accordingly. You should know that if we call this P, we call this Q. We call this P, we call this Q. Okay? P plus Q all square. It is P square plus 2PQ plus Q square. Okay? And P minus Q all square. According to algebra, it is what? P square minus 2PQ plus Q square. So, looking at this now, this is what? This is this square minus 2, this this plus d squared. Close the mature bracket, then open another mature bracket. This d squared plus 2 this plus that square. Okay, that square. And we close the mature brackets. Now, starting from here now, what do? Start evaluating. This is what? This is 9a squared minus 6ab plus b squared into what? 4a squared plus what? 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. 12 what? ab plus 9b squared. Okay? Now from here now, start. This is 9, all these brackets, we now rub the other. What do you 9a squared, 9a squared, 9a squared, we rub what? 4a squared plus 12ab plus 9b squared, okay, minus 6ab, we rub 4a squared plus 12ab plus 9b squared, isn't it? Likewise, plus b squared, we rub 4a squared plus 12ab plus 9b squared. Okay, are you getting it down? So from there now, this is what? 36a4. 36a4 plus 9 times 12. Okay, 9 times 12 would have been 108. 108. This is a cube b. Okay, this is a cube b. Plus what? 9 times 9 is what? 81. A squared b squared. Okay, now minus this is what? 24. A cube b. Okay, what we have? Minus 72. A b cube. This one a is a squared b squared. Okay, minus times this. What would it be? This is what? Minus 6 times 9. That is 54. 54. Okay, a b cube. Then the last bracket, expansion, plus what? 4a squared b squared plus what? 12ab cube plus 9b4. Okay? Now, looking at this now, we are going to collect like terms. What are the like terms? Look at a4. A4 will stay where it is. Okay? A cube b is a cube b. Look at this a cube b and this a cube b. This is plus 108 a cube b minus 24 a cube b, and they are going to be collected as a like terms. Okay? Look at a square b square. Look at a square b square. Yes. And look at a square b square. They are going to be collected as like terms. Okay? Look at ab cube. Look at ab cube. They are going to be collected as like terms. While 9b4 will stay where it is. Why is it so? It's just a singular term without any like terms like it. Now, start collection of like terms as we have said. This is 36a4. Now, 1 plus 108 a cube b minus 24. Quickly carry out a subtraction here. 108 is 24. 8 minus 4 is what? 4. We have 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 8. What do we have here? We quickly have what? We quickly have minus 84. Okay, plus 84. A cube b. Okay? Now, sorry. Check your a square b square, a square b square, a square b square. 81 a square b square minus 72 a square b square. Okay? 81 a square b square minus 72 a square b square. Okay? This is 81, this is 72. 11 minus 2 should have been what? 9. It's exactly what? 9. 9 plus 4 would have been what? 13. This is what? Plus 13 a square b square. Okay? A square b square. Now, collecting like terms in terms of a cube b. This a cube b minus 54 plus 12. This is 12, 54, 12. We have 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 4. What do we have here? Minus 42. AB cube. Then plus what? 9B4. Congratulations. We have what? we have expanded. We have expanded. Okay? Now, moving to question 3, we have to evaluate the difference between the coefficient of x cubed y and what? xyk in the expansion. Okay? 4x minus y all square, x plus 2y all square. This is the last question for this lesson. Okay? Once again, I've told you, if you have been watching it on Facebook and you saw that you could not finish the lesson on time, quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the rest of the lessons. This is Algebra by topic. Once again, I remain your coach, Atoba Orishola Online. Okay? Now, let's move to the third. Let's move to the third and we quickly see. The third one is this. Sorry, we have to rub off the board. Question 3. Question 3. We are to find the difference between the coefficients, okay, of x squared y. Difference between the coefficients of x cubed y and xy cubed in the expansion. In the expansion, this is 3x minus 2y all square. Then we have x plus 2y all square in the first place. Okay, now let's start from here.